Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can create a professional menu using the Canva app. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First open Canva, then go to the print products, and here you have a few different categories. As you can see, popular, marketing, gifts, stationery, clothing, and cards and invites. Now go to marketing, and to create a menu you have to scroll down a little bit, and then you will see the menu icon here on the right. And when you tap on it, it's going to open up an editing page which already has the exact ratio and size and type for a menu. And from here you have a few different choices. You can either add your own images, upload your text and everything by by yourself, or you can use some of these professional templates that are all made by professional designers. And I would recommend using these because it's a lot more professional, and it is even easier to use because you just go and choose one of these menu templates, and then you can go and customize it to the fullest extent. You can add any different text, you can change the prices, you can add different items, you can add more items, you can create a new page with the same design if you want. Maybe you want a 2-page menu, you just copy it, and then you can fill with your information. You can change these meals even. As you can see, these are all elements, so you can move them around, you can replace them. And there are different types of menus. As you can see, there are football menus, there are lunch menus, bar menus, dinner menu, cafe menu. So there are quite a lot of options that you can use, and they are all look very professional, and they are all very easy to customize. So yeah, I would recommend using these. Let's see this for sweets, for cakes and ice cream. They all look really nice. For wine store, even, as you can see, you can create a wine store menu by a few clicks. You can add your own store logo or anything, and you are pretty much done. It's a lot easier and faster and cheaper, because if you want to hire a designer to do this for you, it can cost quite a lot. But this way, it's very easy. You can do it yourself, and it still looks pretty beautiful. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.